Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how do you change country in Temu. So let's get into the video. So open up your Temu applications. So just launch your Temu application. So once you have opened up your Temu, you can log in if you want to. So you can log into your account. So once you've logged in to your account, click on the your tab here, like your profile tab. So click underneath. So bottom you'll have your profile tab. So click on it. So once you click on here, then scroll down where you see the settings option. So click on settings. So once you click on settings here, you'll see an option called country and region. So click on it. So if you click on it here, you can change or select the country that you want to change to. So select the countries. At the moment, these are the countries that's currently being supported. So you just have to change the country that you wish to change to. So just tap on it, and then that's it. Tap on it, and then it's going to ask you for a confirmation. Then click OK, and that's it. The country will be changed on Temu. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.